Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I'm going to do in today's video, I am going to promote ClickBank offers for free. In this video, it's basically ClickBank for beginners. Following this very simple method, you can make up to $80 a day on ClickBank and make money online. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification right now, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. I come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to get a job online, or how to start a business online. Now let's get right into the video. Let's continue the last video. I'm gonna show you in today's video how to promote ClickBank offers for free. It's a very simple way to make money with ClickBank. So the first thing that you need to do to start making money on ClickBank, the first thing you need to do is to make an account on ClickBank, and after that you need to pick a niche and pick a good product to start with. Now obviously in weight loss I pick the red tea detox. So now what you want to do after that, you want to click on promote, and after that you click on generate hub link. What does that mean? When you are promoting your product, you are going to use this hub link. Now you will take the link of it, and the link is extremely high and we here want to shorten it. So before we do anything, what I want to show you is that how to shorten this link, and after that I'm going to show you how you can find the right target audience to make at least $80 a day. Now I am going to show you how to shorten the links. Now what you need to do before promote ClickBank offers, what you want to do is you want to shorten the link that you have. So the site that we can use is Bitly. Now you come here and you copy and paste link here, and after that it will generate it for you a shortened link. After that you need to test it out. Now what we need to do here to promote ClickBank offer, what we need to do is we need to target the right audience in order to make money on ClickBank. And like I said, you can make over $80 a day with this. So what you want to do is you want to look at a target audience. So what next? You want to go on to Google. Google is your friend when it comes to this, and after that you want to type in weight loss plus blogs. So what is that and what this will do? For example, if you want to do fitness plus blogs, if whatever you want to do, if you want to do cardio plus blogs, anything you want, it doesn't matter, whatever you choose, it will give you a list of blogs, it will give you everything. And after that you want to find a few blogs. After that I clicked onto one of these sites, it will gives you different blogs for losing weight. People will go in here if they want to find out how to lose weight. After that what you need to do, what you are gonna do, you put your ClickBank offer here. You are going to get your ClickBank offer here, and you are going to make money by promoting your ClickBank products. This is all here for you people. You are probably thinking, how am I going to do? Now you need to click on her blog, and after that what you need to do, you want to figure out a way onto her blog how I'm gonna get my link on for free. There is a very simple way, is extremely effective. So what I did is I scroll down to the bottom and you will be able to leave comments. You can say anything you want, and don't forget your link, your ClickBank link. You are not being spammy at all. You just ask for advice, and when they click onto your ClickBank link, it's going to take them to your ClickBank affiliate link, which obviously shows them the tea, and you get a commission if they purchase that particular tea on ClickBank. And that's how you can get people to your ClickBank offer. This does work. It's working for so many people. It does work. It's a very simple way to make money on ClickBank, and this is how to promote ClickBank offers for free and make over $80 per day on ClickBank. You will be surprised with the results. Oh, that's it guys, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.